afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. American Things here. Today I will be showing you the two different ways to blouse your boots. Whether you are in the U.S. military or law enforcement, you'll have to know how to blouse your boots properly. So the first way you can blouse your boots is by tucking your pants into the boot. So you'll start out by having your boot unlaced and untied like this, all nice and loose, and then you'll stand up to allow yourself to tuck as much fabric into the boot as possible, and then you'll just start out by just tucking your pant leg into your boot like this, and then get it all smoothed out so it's not uncomfortable, and then you will start tying your boot. So you just lace it up like that, make sure it's all nice and tight, and then tie your boot like that, and you just tie a knot, so you just cross it and cross it again, and then you'll take your strings and then you'll tuck strings into your boot like that where they are not visible, because in the military we call them snakes. You don't want any snakes visible where you could trip over them. So, and also gives a nice neat appearance of uniformity, where you tuck the laces in and it should be all nice and snug like that. So then when you stand up, it's like that, it's nice and bloused, but then also when you sit down, don't know if your sock is showing, and it's all nice and neat just like that. And you'll do the same thing on the other side. But the other way you can blouse your boots is by using blousing straps. So blousing straps are these little elastic bands with two metal hooks on either end. And what you'll do if you're blousing your boots that way is you'll want to tie your boot first and tuck the laces in before so your boot will already be tied like this. And then what you'll do is you'll pull your pant leg up far enough like this, and then you'll take your blousing strap. You will wrap your blousing strap around your leg like this and put it right about where you want the pant leg to end, and then you pull the pant leg over your boot and the blousing strap like this, and then you feel with your fingers, you find where you put the blousing strap, you pinch it. So right now I'm holding onto the blousing strap, and then you'll want to tuck pant leg under the blousing strap, kind of loop it around, and then fold the pant leg underneath it like that, and the blousing strap will hold your pant leg to your leg. And then what you can do is you can stand up and pull it over the top of your boot like this. So then it also gives a bloused appearance, just like the other way. And then when you sit down, it looks like this. It's also nice and neat. And that's the two different ways that you can blouse your boots if you are in the military or law enforcement. And as always, have a good day.